Friends, request you to subscribe my YouTube channel Express Naukri. Valiant Organics Limited, a specialty chemical manufacturing company in India, required multiple job position for its Sarigam unit. 1. Post is Project Engineer. Qualification required B.Tech Chemical Engineering. Experience required 1 to 2 years. 2. Post is Junior QA. Qualification required B.Tech or B.A Chemical or Mechanical or Instrument Engineering. Experience required 1 to 2 years. Documentation work most Proffered. 3. Post is DCS Supervisor Post 2. Qualification required Diploma in Chemical Engineering. Experience required 0 to 1 years. 4. Post is Production Engineer Post 3. Qualification required BA or B.Tech Chemical Engineering. Experience required 0 to 2 years. 5. Post is Deputy Production Manager Post 1. Qualification required BA or B.Tech Chemical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 6 years. 6. Post is Instrument Engineer Post 1. Qualification required BA or B.Tech Instrument Engineering. Experience required 1 to 3 years. 7. Post is Senior Chemist or Junior Chemist Post 3. Qualification required B.Sc or M.Sc. Experience required 1 to 4 years. 8. Post as Maintenance Engineer Post 1. Qualification required BA or B.Tech Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 1 to 3 years. 9. Post as Maintenance Manager Post 1. Qualification required BA or B.Tech Mechanical Engineering. Experience required 5 to 7 years. If you meet the requirements, please share your latest CV to given email address. They have some special notes. 1. Experience should be in chemical-based manufacturing industry. 2. Only male candidates required for above all position. If you like this video, request you to like, share this video. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe the channel Express Naukri.